Computer applications. Write the full form of ENIAC, Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. EDSAC, Electronic Delay Storage Automatic Calculator. EDVAC, Electronic Discrete Variable Automatic Computer. UNIVAC, Universal Automatic Computer. Second main. Answer the following questions. Write any two characteristics of computer. Answer. Speed. Speed is the amount of time taken by the computer in completing the task. Accuracy. It refers to the degree of perfection of operations performed by a computer. Second question. Describe Pascal's adding machine. Answer. The first mechanical calculator invented by Blaise Pascal is known as Pascal's calculator or Pascaline. It was capable of performing addition and subtraction. Taximeter is an example of mechanical calculator. Third question. Write short note on abacus. Abacus was the first mechanical device for calculations, developed in China. It was made up of wooden frame with rods, each having beads. The frame is divided into two parts, heaven and earth. Each rod in heaven has 2 beads and each rod in earth has 5 beads. Fourth question. State the difference between second generation and third generation computers. Second generation, third generation. Technology. Transistors, IC, integrator, circuit boards. Data input. Punched cards and paper tapes, keyboard. Data output. Printer, monitor. Storage. Magnetic tapes, magnetic disks. Language. Machine language and beginning of high-level languages. Second question. State any two differences between ENIAC and EDVAC. ENIAC, EDVAC. First point. Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. Electronic Discrete Variable Automatic Computer. Second point. The first general purpose electronic digital computer. It is a modern type of computer. Third point. Which is used to add two numbers in 200 microseconds. It stores data and instructions in a binary code. Sixth question. Explain the technology used in UNIVAC. Answer. Vacuum tube was the technology used in UNIVAC. Seventh question. Mention any two limitations of computer. Answer. Incapability to think. A computer cannot think and take decisions on its own. No intelligence. Unlike human beings, a computer has no intelligence. It needs instructions at every step. Lesson number 4. Advanced feature of word processor 2. Answer the following questions. How many types of breaks can you insert in a Word document? Name them. There are 3 breaks in a Word document. Column break, line break, page break. What do you mean by orientation? Name any 2 orientation types available in Word? Answer. Page orientation is the property to set the printing direction of the text on a paper. The two types of orientations are portrait and landscape, and the default page orientation is portrait. Third question, what is indentation? Answer. Indentation determines the amount of spacing between the text and the page margins. It basically draws the reader's attention, that is, increase indent and decrease indent. Fourth question, what are page margins? Answer. Margin refers to the amount of space that is left from the edge of the page and the document text and the margins on all the four sides of a document. The default margins are set at 1 from the top, bottom, left and right edge of the page. How can you open the page setup dialog box? Name the three tabs present in it. Select the Page Layout tab. Click on the Page Setup dialog box launcher. The Page Setup dialog box will appear and the tabs are Margins, Papers and Layouts. What is the use of Tab key? It is used to move the cursor at a certain spaces in a document. By default, the tab stops are set at every 0.5 inch. Chapter number 5. Presentation Software Special Effects. First main, answer the following. First question, define templates. How can you start a presentation using a template? Answer. A template is a pre-designed layout that includes custom formatting and design. Click on File tab and select the New option. Under the Available Templates and Theme section, select the sample templates. Click on the Create button. Second question, how can you insert a bulleted list in your slide? Select the paragraph on which you want to apply bullets. Click on the drop-down arrow of the bullets in the paragraph group on the Home tab. Select the desired style. Third question, write the use of the word art feature. How do you insert it in a slide? Answer. The word art feature helps you to create decorative text. It gives a unique look to the text. By using word art, you can make the text curved, wavy, shadowed and apply 3D effects. On the Insert tab, click on the Word Art option in the text group. Select any word art style from the gallery. Type text in the placeholder. How can you insert a shape in a slide? Click on the Shapes option in the Illustrations group on the Insert tab. Click on any shape from gallery. Pointer changes into a plus sign. Place the pointer on the slide and drag it to draw the selected shape. Question number 5. Explain different types of alignments available in PowerPoint. Answer. Alignment refers to the placement of the text on a slide. You can adjust the horizontal as well as vertical alignment of the text. You can align the text horizontally by selecting the text left right, center, and justify vertically by selecting the top, middle, and bottom. Question number 6. Write the use of the clip art feature. Answer: clip art feature. Clip art is a gallery of pre-designed pictures. Clip art option is used to add pictures to the slides to enhance its appearance and make it more informative. Question number 7. Explain the use of templates in PowerPoint. It is a pre-designed layout, includes custom formatting and design, so we can save a lot of time and effort when starting a new presentation. Chapter number 6. Introduction to Scratch. Answer the following. This is not the scratching Scratch, this is the Scratch software. Question number 1. What is the use of Scratch? Answer: you can use Scratch to create games, animated stories, and projects with great ease. Second, what is a sprite? No, this is not the drinking Sprite. We will see what it is. Sprite is a small graphic character that performs actions in a Scratch project. Third one, explain any two main parts of Scratch window. Stage 1. Stage. It is the main working area where the sprite moves and performs actions. Script area. It is the place where you create a script for a sprite to do a particular task. What is the use of the pen block? Pen block palette allows the sprite to draw lines on the stage, change the color and the thickness of lines. First one, how can you add sounds in your script? The sound blocks palette has different blocks that you can use to add sounds in your script, or you can import sound from library, and also we can record a new sound. Chapter number 7. Internet services. Answer the following questions. What is the Internet? Answer: Internet is a global network that connects millions of computers worldwide. Second question. What do you understand by the term netiquette? Netiquette can be defined as a set of rules that governs the acceptable online behavior of the user. Question number 3. Name some popular internet services for worldwide communication. Online services, entertainment, social networking, information retrieval, and communication. Question number 4. What are the different ways in which you can connect with the internet? To connect your computer with the internet, you need a modem, telephone line, and an internet connection. Fifth one. What is a modem? Name its types. It is a device that allows a computer to send or receive information through telephone lines by converting digital data into an analog signal and analog signal into digital data. Modem can be classified as internal modem, external modem, and PC card modem. All the best for your exam. I hope you get out, or maybe even more than that. All the best.